is LG and I'm new to YouTube, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make targets for nerfs out of stacking robots. The stacking robots are supposed to be like, you stack them and they balance on each other like this. And there, but I'm going to use it to make targets with little pieces of wood and a Nerf gun. It's a disruptor. It has 6 bullets for it. There's I only need 4. And this is how you put it. So first you put these in 2 groups like this. And this is how you're going to use them right here. And you're just going to shoot all over, like, hit him. Maybe I need to move a little bit more like this. Right there. And that's the end of my video. Please subscribe down there. So bye bye.